In this particular section, we will be dealing with one story of from Glimpses of India, and the story goes like this. Like, say, for an example, the first thing that has been discussed is tea from Assam, in which we find two friends going to Assam. One is Pranjal, who has been born and brought up in Assam, and one is Rajveer, who is a student from Delhi. And these people are friends, and Pranjal is taking Rajveer to Assam, to his home for the holidays maybe. And Rajveer has done a lot of research on tea, and so what we find here is that Rajveer is a boy who is excited to see the tea gardens outside, whereas Pranjal is very interested in reading a book. Rajveer talks about how many cups of tea are drunk every day in this world. He talks about like the word chai, chini, all these things have come from China. He talks about two legends in which there is a Chinese emperor who loved his water warm, and one day suddenly some leaves from the twigs that were burning underneath fell on the water, and it made it tasty. And from there, tea started to be drunk. And then he talked about the saint Bodhidharma, who fell asleep while meditating, and so he cut off his eyelids, and from there, tea plants were born. So these are the legends that he was talking about. And finally, they reach Assam, and they reach the Moirani Junction, where Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden, and Rajvi shows his knowledge about tea by talking about the second flush, the best tea, and that is how the story moves forward. So this chapter primarily talks about different features of India, different aspects of India, different colors of India, and how we can learn more about that, because we need to be proud about our country, because there are n number of things, infinite number of things to be proud about, and one of them is tea, because in Darjeeling, in Assam, in the Nilgiris, tea is grown, and we produce the best quality teas in the whole world. And this tells us also about the legends of tea, and at the same time why it is important to know more about your country, even if you don't reside there, like the urge to know about tea in the mind of Rajveer. So this is all about, and we shall come back with Coorg in the next class. Thank you very much.